Hi, this is Michael Nagels with MyWebTechGurus.com, and this is our fifth video presentation on building and maintaining your network on LinkedIn.com, the business social media and business networking website. This is also the final video in this section of our training, LinkedIn 101. We invite you to come back and follow the videos for sections on LinkedIn 201. Those videos will be online on our website beginning Monday, August 3rd, 2009. So let's go ahead and get started. We're not going to do a whole lot in this video. Bring up our browser and take a look at where we are right now. We've got our profile 90% complete. Remember, I told you it could take you a long time to get to 100%. It'll just happen. You can follow the tips here. Sometimes they do it and sometimes they don't. It's really just a matter of time. You'll come in one day, take a look at your thing, and all of a sudden you'll be at 100%. So what we're going to do in this section is look at a couple of things to personalize our profile and make it a little more complete. The biggest thing we've got missing right now is websites. What you want to do is you want to connect your profile to up to 3 websites that are relative to your business presence on the internet, or on LinkedIn rather. You can use your company website, you can use your Twitter page, you can use your Facebook page, you can use your blog if you have a blog. Any number of websites that you want to use, you can use. And there are several ways to go about doing this, but I'm going to give you a pretty direct route to do it, and one that'll mean the most to people viewing your profile. Remember, when you do things in LinkedIn, you want to be sure that you're doing it from the point of view of the viewer, not from your own point of view. Don't look at your website or don't look at your LinkedIn profile through your own eyes. Try to look at it through the eyes of the people that are visiting it, because those are the ones that it needs to make sense to and mean the most to. Alright, so we're going to add a few websites. First thing we're going to do, Lucy's got several she can put on here. We're going to put her company website on here first. So we're going to drop this down, and it gives you all of these different things that you can do. I'm going to suggest that you go to Other on every time. Here's why. If I put my website and I put a website in here, let's say I put in http www.mywebtechgurus.com, and I save that. If you go out here and look at my website, or at my profile I should say, it says my website. Well, here's what I want to do. I'm going to go back and edit that, and instead of it saying my website, I'm going to go to Other every time, and where it says Other, I'm going to put what my website actually is. mywebtechgurus.com. Fix a couple of keyboard errors here. And website, mywebtechgurus.com website. Save changes. Now if you look at it, I think that's a little more complete and gives them a little bit more information. It doesn't just say it's your blog. It says that it's your company website. That's just a personal preference. If you don't agree with me, do it using one of the drop-down selections. So let's go back to that. And we need to complete some information on these other two. So I'm going to go to Other again, and I'm going to put my Twitter page. Lucy has a Twitter account that she uses pretty actively to keep her fans and followers informed. So we're going to put http www.twitter.com/Lucy Struther. Finally, Lucy is going to put her Facebook page on here, and she's going to go and do Other again. My Facebook page, and we'll put the URL for that in there. And now Save that real quick. And we'll go back here and take a look. Now, look at the websites. Tells us where we're actually going. My Twitter page, my Facebook page, my webtechgurus.com website. Okay? I think that's just a little more effective, a little more accurate. Remember, public profile, this link right here, showed you in the previous video how to change that, but take a look at your website. If you missed that step, make sure you edit this and shorten that to where it's got your name in the link. That's a great link to be able to give out to people. Alright, so we check our profile completeness. We're still at 90%. So one more thing we'll do to wrap up Series 101, and that is to go back into the websites and go... Whoop, well, that took us somewhere odd, didn't it? Let's go back in here and just click on edit in any one of those spots, and it says interests. Okay, what are my interests? Chasing cats, barking at the moon, and capitalism. Groups and associations. Well, Lee's Summit, Chamber of Commerce, a couple of keyboard errors there. Summit Chamber of Commerce, and we'll put the Humane Society on there as well. Okay, it says here, tip, use commas to separate multiple groups. We did that. Examples, Kiwanis, Product Marketing Association, and so on. Honors and awards. I have my dog license now for 3 years. Licensed realtor in Missouri and Kansas. So there's a couple of honors and awards, and we're going to save that. Okay, still at 90%. I told you, could take a long time. Stay calm. Well, let's go back here and take a look at her page now. Wrap this session up. Lucy's got her name on there. She's got her current position. Got an image on there. Okay, and we can go down here and see that she's got her summary. She's got her history, a little bit of her experience, places she's worked or been, and she's got her education on here. She's got everything really that builds a basic profile. She's got enough now that we can consider Lucy a graduate of LinkedIn 101. Wrap up this series for now. And as I said, you're invited to come back anytime after Monday, August the 3rd, 2009, and join our series LinkedIn 201, which will be a little more advanced. Thank you.